You may have heard the term that girl being thrown around on social media lately. It's a trend that is all about feeling confident, empowered, and living their best life. But sometimes the expectations that comes with that can be pretty hard to maintain. Well, I wanted to share a different perspective on how to be that girl while you prioritize your own happiness. If you're anything like me, you must hate waking up too early.
Good morning, beautiful. Time to wake up. Today is going to be an amazing day.
Good morning, everybody. I just woke up. It is 7 a.m. Already pretty sunny, so we need to protect the skin. And then I'm going to do the journaling, have my smoothie, answer to some emails, make some calls, go to the gym. Let me just put some cream on. I don't like to wake up in the mornings, and more than anything, I don't like to work out. But every time I'm lazy, my sister always tells me, we will sleep when we die. Now we should be living. Strangely, it works for me. It is really motivating. You probably hate waking up early as well. I do anyways, because I have a dream for meaningful life that fulfills me, excites me, makes me feel proud of myself. And just sometimes there is not enough time in a day to accomplish all of that. So if you find something that you're really passionate about, that you really love doing, then it will give you this motivation of waking up early because you want to accomplish all of that. It can be something as small as gardening or getting a flower to decorate your home or just making a cup of coffee, whatever it is that you really love. Try to motivate yourself night before. I'm an entrepreneur, so for me, I love watching WeWork series or movies like Interstellar. That movie is so amazing though, because it just shows that even time cannot stand on the way of love and desire to make this world a better place for the people that you love, yourself, and just for the world, you know? Even universe aligns with you when you are doing something with purpose. Those kind of things really motivate me to get up and be excited to start the day. You may have heard this term, that girl. I remember when I was working for a construction company out of town, I had to get up at 5 a.m., leave the house at 6:30, and I would come back at 9 p.m. My job was inside the office, and because it was a new town, there was no Starbucks, no cafes, no restaurants, so I had to take my own lunch with me. For 2 years, I haven't even left the office, and most of the time, I haven't even seen the sun. So it was a really tough on my mental health, and it was really difficult. I was making good money, but I lost every sense of happiness. I was so consumed by that construction job that I didn't even remember what happiness felt like. I'm honest with you guys. For me, being that girl means prioritizing my own happiness and doing things that I love, like spending time with loved ones, pursuing creative hobbies, and turning things that I love into a business and making it my day job, you know? So I can wake up really excited. When I do what I love, I really don't feel tired, and I don't complain. I don't care how many hours I've been working because I've been doing something I love. You know what I mean? So for me, exactly being that girl means living your best life in your own terms without feeling pressure to conform to unrealistic expectations or standards. I realize that true happiness comes from doing things that I love and taking care of myself, not just achieving financial success. And that's what being that girl is about, finding a balance between achieving your goal and taking care of yourself. So don't be afraid to prioritize yourself, prioritize your own happiness and well-being, because that's what true success looks like. The first tip I would ever give you to be that girl is to practice gratitude. There is something very magical about recognizing good things in your life. Having some journal like this where you can write down, let's say 10 things you're grateful about, will really open your eyes to all the good things you already have and motivate you to work for more and desire more, and understand that if these things that you already have was possible, anything that you desire, it is possible too. Find inspiration in every day, find something you love, be confident, definitely pursue your passion, because this life is too short to live someone else's life that wasn't meant for you. Whatever you love doing, that's exactly what's meant for you. Don't try to be somebody else just to fit in and please others. When your body is healthy, your mind is healthy. Try to exercise as well. Like, it doesn't have to be 2 hours just to get your blood flowing, and you will already feel amazing. Take care of yourself, find the balance, be excited about doing what you're doing. Don't force things to yourself, listen to your body. And one and most important thing, believe in yourself. Really believe in yourself. There is nobody else like you. Nobody. No one even can try fly and be you. So embrace your own unique qualities. Make this life work for you. Make the day work for you. Organize it like it suits you, not like you saw somebody else like getting up at 6 a.m. and you have to do the same. No, I don't have to get up at 6 a.m. if I don't have to. Can, but if I don't have to, I'm not gonna do it because someone else is doing it. If I tell somebody that I can stay awake until 4 a.m. and then get up at 8 a.m., first of all, they will not even understand what am I doing until 4 a.m., right? But my most creative hours are at night, and that's my unique approach to life and creativity that maybe morning person will never understand, right? So we just have to be happy with who we are and make it work for us. So the plan is to send some few emails. By the way, I always organize the calls without a Zoom for mornings. I like to work out in the morning, so I want to have time for myself as well. Phone calls I organize for the morning, and the Zoom calls I organize for a little bit later, so I have time to dress up. So I'm going to go now, work out with my sister. I'm going to have a breakfast, come back, change, go back to my brother's office, make a Zoom call there, and then I will probably end the day with a glass of wine with my sister, because I love to reward myself for hard work, and so can you. And that's very important part of being that girl in my world. Anyways, so see you guys. This feels really good. Hey guys, it feels really good. I love working out in the morning. It really helps. And I have more feeling of like I can take on anything rather than anxiety before the calls or anything, you know. It helps me to be mentally ready for any kind of conversation. Hey guys, I already worked out. It was amazing. I'm gonna make another coffee now because I need it, and we're gonna chat a little. I'm drinking coffee again. Pretty good day to work. I have a call at 10. I'm going to have something to eat. Exercising really pumps up your endorphins, which is happy hormones. And who doesn't need an extra happy hormones in their brain? So hey guys, I'm having a coconut water. Hey guys, I decided to put some tanning oil. It just helps me have a little bit of color on my face, so I put them sometimes, so I'm gonna put it on now. Okay, sorry guys, I'm going at my brother's because I use his office anytime I can. I have a startup, so I don't have an office yet, but I use all the resources, as they say. You don't need to have resources, you have to be resourceful and use everything you have. So I'm going to my brother so I can use his office because I have a Zoom call. I would like the background to look good and lighting is better there as well. So anyways, obviously I'm gonna remove cap after. So I'll see you at the office.
I've got 9 lives. Somehow your words tear me apart. Quiet whispers, I hear you crying. Love that pain in my heart. I need this fantasy, so I can recognize what's under my skin. I need this selfish dream.
It is a little bit cold now, so I put some hoodie on.
So I can understand this game we've been playing. I need you, baby. It's a faithless road I'm on. I need you, baby. 'Cause it's been darkness all along. I need you, baby.
So don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.